Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast and our series on the 2026 Collective Energy Forecast. I'm Derek. We have navigated deep waters so far. We have looked at anger, victimhood, and the impulse to run away. If you have been doing the clearings with us, you might feel a bit lighter. You might be ready to finally move forward. But this is exactly where we hit the fourth major pattern of 2026. And it is a stubborn wall. It is the friction that happens when the old world is crumbling, but we are too afraid to step into the new one. Today we talk about resistance. Open to new opportunities. What is this resistance? In 2026, the collective consciousness knows that the old ways of doing things in our economies, our relationships, our systems are no longer working. We all feel the push for change. Yet, when a new door opens, the collective impulse right now is to slam it shut. Psychologically, this is fear of the unknown operating at massive scale. The brain craves certainty. Even if your current situation is painful or stagnant, it is familiar. The new opportunity represents the unfamiliar, which the subconscious mind currently perceives as dangerous. Spiritually, this resistance is a lack of trust in the divine flow. It is a rigid attempt to control the outcome because we feel unsafe. We grip tightly to the edge of the pool because we are terrified of swimming in the open ocean of possibility. We block our own blessings because they don't look like what we expected. How does this resistance manifest in your life? It looks like self-sabotage right on the brink of a breakthrough. It's the yes, but energy. Let's take an example. Imagine David. He owns a small business that has been struggling for 2 years because the market has changed. He is stressed. Suddenly, a completely new opportunity arises, perhaps a chance to merge with a tech-forward company or pivot his services entirely. It's the lifeline he prayed for. But because David is under the influence of this 2026 collective resistance, his first reaction isn't excitement, it's dread. He immediately focuses on why it won't work. I'm too old to learn that new system. It's too risky. What if I fail? He cancels the meeting. He sabotages the deal. He chooses the familiar sinking ship over the unfamiliar lifeboat. That is the power of collective resistance. We need to soften this rigid energy. We need to tell your four bodies that new does not equal unsafe. Now, let's move into a short guided meditation. Please close your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, I want you to visualize unclench your fists. Physically, open your hands, palms facing up, resting on your lap. This is the posture of receiving. Connect with your high self and repeat this clearing statement with me. I call upon my high self and the collective angelic team. I ask to check and identify all energy of resistance to new opportunities that I have absorbed from the collective field. I clear the fear of the unknown from my mental body. I clear the addiction to the familiar from my emotional body. I revoke the need to rigidly control how my good comes to me. I now open my energetic receptors to receive new possibilities, unexpected solutions, and divine pivots. I am safe in the flow of change. Repeat gently. I release resistance that no longer serves my growth. I allow life to approach me in new ways. I do not need certainty to remain safe. I soften my body and my expectations. I choose openness without pressure. Feel the body respond. Let us seal this opening with a prayer. Divine Spirit, replace my resistance with curiosity. Replace my fear with trust. Give me the vision to recognize the open doors you have placed before me and the courage to walk through them even if I cannot see the destination. I trust that the new path is supported. May my four bodies return to flexibility and trust. May old fears of change dissolve gently and naturally. May I recognize opportunities without needing guarantees. May life meet me with support as I soften my resistance. And may this openness ripple through me and into the collective. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Open your eyes. Keep your hands open for a moment longer. Feel that difference. This week, notice when a new idea comes your way. If your immediate reaction is no, pause. Ask yourself, is this intuition or is this just 2026 resistance? In the next and final episode of this series, we will explore the fifth collective pattern and how to stay clear, grounded, and sovereign in a noisy world. If you found this exploration into collective energy patterns helpful and want to dive deeper into the world of spirituality, healing, and clearing, using tools like BodyMaitre Dowsing, please take a moment to hit the like button on this video. Your support helps us reach more people navigating these intense times. And if you want to ensure you don't miss future episodes where we uncover more energetic insights and guided clearings, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Let's continue this journey of conscious evolution together. I'm Derek, and this is BodyMaitre.